In this video, what I want to show you is how you can go from being a complete beginner to welding, have never touched a welder in your life, to being able to turn a MIG welder on and weld your first weld bead and getting it all set up in under 1 hour. And it's very possible to do that. So I want to show you what a MIG welder is in this video, how to set one up, and exactly what the MIG welding process is all about. But before I get into that, I just wanted to touch on a couple things that you can do with MIG welding. Now, if you're looking to fabricate motorcycles, hot rods, if you want to, you want to work on some awesome cars or something like that, or you want to make barbecue pits or trailers, MIG welding is the perfect choice to do that with. It's the easiest welding method for beginners to start out with, because it's really, you just kind of put it to the metal and you start welding. I mean, I simplified that a lot because there really is a lot more to it than just that. But if you want the easiest process to start out with, stick with a MIG welder. And the good thing about MIG welding is a lot of the units run off of a 110 volt outlet. So you can be welding your first welding project from your own garage, from your own home. You don't have to worry about having a big 220 volt outlet to plug your MIG welder into. So I want to tell you a little bit about myself first. My name is Garrett, and about 5 years ago, I was a complete beginner to welding. I had no clue what a MIG welder was, what a TIG welder was, an arc welder. I'd never used an oxyacetylene torch. All these metalworking tools that I use now, I was a complete beginner to all of them. So what I did was, I got tired of I always watch those shows on TV where they teach you how to weld and all this stuff, or not where they teach you how to weld, but you see them building motorcycles, you see them building all these awesome cars and stuff. I wanted to learn how to actually weld something. So I taught myself how to weld. I read every book out there that teaches you anything closely related to welding. And I read the books and I practiced, and just reading the books didn't help much. What I learned from just practicing hours of laying down weld beads, just welding up all kind of random stuff. The things that I learned from doing that, they helped me a lot more than reading any kind of book or than any kind of book could teach me. So I researched and I read about all the different ways that you can weld, all the different joints, all the different welding positions that you can weld in. And I did all that stuff after I had actually started to try my first welding projects. I kind of did it in reverse, and I made the mistake of, I was trying to weld up welding projects when I had no clue how to weld. So if you want to learn how to weld, you're in the right spot. If you want to learn how to MIG weld, you're in the right spot. I'm going to show you how to lay down sound weld beads so that when you do get to your first welding project, you don't have a problem. You can do it just like that. You can weld up all the different joints just like that. So with that said, and with the understanding that you're in the right place to learn how to weld, to learn how to MIG weld, I want to go ahead and show you what a MIG welder looks like. Okay, now this is the gun of the MIG welder, and as you can see, there's a wire sticking out of the MIG welder right now. And what this wire does, this wire comes on a roll. It comes on a big roll, and you put that roll inside of your welder. So several things happen when you press this MIG gun, or when you press this trigger on this MIG gun. You have the wire right here, and it starts flowing out, and it comes on a big roll, and it starts flowing out, and the gas starts to flow out of the nozzle, and an arc starts. So this